Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting and tricky video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to get 3D animal on your Android device. So this is the inbuilt feature available in Google. So you need to open the Google Chrome browser on your device. After opening in the Google, you want to search any animal, for example lion. I am searching this. So after this guys, scroll down. Here you can get the option view in 3D. Just tap on it. So as you can see guys, the lion is showing in 3D face. So if you want to add this 3D animal to your own image, just tap on view in your own space like this and move your phone and just tap on the empty space. That's it. So as you can see guys, the lion is on my place, as you can see. So guys, this is the very easy and very simple method to get 3D animals on your Android device. You can also adjust this animal on your screen. After that, if you want to capture, just tap on the camera icon. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to get 3D animals on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.